Hi there, this is Barry Godfrey at Epos Freedom. In this short 6-minute video we're going to show you how the Epos Freedom POS terminal can be configured in hospitality mode so that it can operate very easily in a restaurant environment. This particular POS terminal has been set up for hospitality mode. You can see that because we've got the print bill option here in the toolbar. Notice also that I've configured this particular terminal to have a default input option of browse. That enables you to have this nice intuitive graphical web style navigation approach so that you can easily present your restaurant's menu here in this manner. Anyway, let's create an initial order. It's very easy to do. I'm going to add some starters here, some mains, and perhaps a bottle of wine. And now that initial order is now ready. So we park it by clicking this park button here, and that prompts us for a table number. We can also optionally add a customer name, and when we do that it prints out in the kitchen. As you can see, kitchen printing is entirely optional, so if you don't want that facility you can switch it off. Similarly, you can make it more sophisticated by perhaps splitting the bar and the kitchen items over two printers. Exact instructions on how to assign products to each printer is in the accompanying video, Hospitality Setup. Please refer to that and it will show you exactly how to do that. Anyway, let's create a second order now for another customer. We now just need to select what they want. Perhaps they're just having a main course. Something that's quite a useful facility to draw to your attention is attributes. This enables us to assign particular questions to particular products. For instance, that lamb, we might be wanting to ask the customer about their preferred cooking time. Perhaps they want that medium. That way, when we come to park that order, it will actually appear on the receipt as we're about to see. So we'll park this one. There we are. And so the cooking instructions has appeared there in the kitchen. So perhaps the first customer now is ready to order their desserts. So let's retrieve that order, and we'll go into desserts here. Order an ice cream and some coffees maybe. Notice how it is possible to edit lines of the order if they've not been printed. So for instance, I could delete that line for the espresso by clicking the line void. Also, I can amend quantities. I can also change prices, but to change prices I've got to have permission to do so. So you can actually assign permissions to particular users to determine whether they can change prices or not. If I don't have authority to change prices, it will prompt me for a supervisor to come along and log in or swipe their card in order to authorize the price override. Luckily I have got permission there. So let's park that order as well. And the additional items have now appeared on the kitchen printer. Perhaps that customer is now ready to pay their bill, or they requested the bill anyway, so we can now retrieve it in the way we just now done and click the print bill button, and there we are. We've got the bill ready for them. When they're ready to pay, perhaps you might have to park it and retrieve it if there's another customer coming along, but when you're ready to pay, just simply close this product input screen to reveal the payment button. There we are, and perhaps this customer is going to tender £105, say, and there we are. They've now got their final bill. So that's a very brief overview of the hospitality functions. Just to sort of recap here, obviously the products can be arranged in this nice intuitive manner. We can easily park those transactions and assign table numbers to them in order to make it easier to retrieve them later. It prints out to a kitchen printer optionally, and overall the experience is very intuitive and easy to use. Hopefully that gives you enough of an overview to see whether it's a good fit for your restaurant business. We're very grateful for any feedback or suggestions, or indeed your questions. Simply email us at support@eposfreedom.com. We'd be very pleased to hear from you. We're very grateful for your time in watching the video. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching.